How to create an account on booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about creating an account on booking.com. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your favorite web browser. And here I'm launching my Google Chrome web browser. And then after, in the search bar, type in booking.com and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the official page of booking.com. From here, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and click on sign in and then enter your credentials and then sign into your account. But as we are looking to create a new account in booking.com, we're going to click on register. Now in this field, enter your email address and then click on continue with email. Beside this, you can also use one of these options. You can directly log in with your Google account, your Apple ID, or your Facebook account as well. Once you click on continue with email, booking.com will send an email verification link to your specific Gmail account, and once it arrives, it will be valid for 10 minutes. You just have to go ahead, open your Google account, then click on verify me, that is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. This way, you can easily sign in or create a new account in booking.com. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.